Good morning, it's Disney day 3 and we've actually decided to head home today. We had a really good day yesterday and obviously with all the new stuff that's happening at the moment, we thought it's best to kind of try and get home early. We haven't made the cut in terms of timing, so we still have to quarantine, which is really frustrating, but never mind. We have had a really good trip. We had a really good day yesterday, so we thought, why not just go home early just for peace of mind as well, because obviously the rules could change at any point. We were a bit concerned that they could try and keep us here for 14 days, but apparently France don't do that, so it's not so bad. But we just wanted to get home and just sort of feel a bit more at ease, I guess is the right way to put it. So Holly's just putting on our shoes and we're going to go down, grab some breakfast and then head to the park. We've got a massive day planned of loads of stuff to do, so it's going to be a good day. We've still got our Chez Rémy reservation at 3. We moved it to 3, so plenty of time. And yeah, I'm excited, so we'll catch you up when we get there. So we've just made it into the park and we're just putting in our luggage. We're going to go into the main park this morning, take some pictures, go on, what is it we're going to go on? Phantom Manor, Big Thunder Mountain, do kind of that area and then take a few photos in front of the castle and then head over to the studios, so I'm really excited about that. But yeah, it's really quiet today actually for a Saturday so far. It's not that busy, so we'll see what happens. So we are now in the park and we're really impressed with ourselves because I was only up an hour and 15 minutes ago. There's nothing else there. And we are here. Not too sure what's going on. Oh, that's so cute. There's a guy in front who's just like bowing to a little girl dressed as a princess. That's really sweet. But yeah, we are literally just walking through the... Good morning. So cute. So we're just walking through the castle. Now we're going to go and see if we can find somewhere to sit so we can eat our breakfast. And then we've got about 45 minutes until we want to head to Phantom Manor. So plenty of time, might even squeeze a ride in. Very excited. That looked like a good picture then. So we've just eaten our breakfast. We had a croissant with some Nutella. It was a nice time. Literally. And a little juice. The hotel breakfast is really good actually. Yeah, it is actually quite nice. Just like fruit. Yeah, could do with some fruit. Like banana, do you know what I mean? Yeah, like a little apple, something like that. Would be great. But we're going to go and see what the queue time is like on Peter Pan. Just to see if it's like quite a short one. May as well while we're here. I think we demolished that breakfast in like 3 minutes, so saving a lot of time. Smashed it. But yeah, we're going to go and see what the queue time's like. So we're now in the queue for Peter Pan. Totally read it wrong. It's a 10-minute wait, not 30-minute wait, so it's not going to be that long at all, which is ideal because this ride is never 10 minutes. So it's not like the best ride in the world, but like you have to do it, I feel, every so often. So we're going to do that. Yeah, I do like it, but I wouldn't wait like 40 minutes. No, if I had a child I would though. Oh, because I remember when I was a kid, I literally loved this ride. It was my favourite ride of the trip. Yeah, no, so true. And then we're going to go and see what the queue is like for Dumbo and go on that because we can get some nice pics on there. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Get some nice pics on Dumbo. We've just come off Peter Pan and now we're going to walk on over to Dumbo to see what the wait is like. So we've just come off of Dumbo, which is actually really fun. Quite a quick little ride to get in. Good for some photos and stuff. And now we're going to see if we can go over to Adventureland to actually find Dumbo quite thrilling. Yeah, that was fun. I just couldn't work out how to get up and down for ages, but you can hold it for a while. So I was there like, why is mine not working? But took some nice clips and stuff. So yeah, that was really fun. But we're going to go to Adventureland just to see if we can get a few photos and stuff before we head to Frontierland. So that's kind of the plan. Very excited about it. We smashed out 2 rides, so we're doing really well. But yeah. So we are now going on Big Thunder Mountain, and it's a 5-minute wait, which doesn't happen ever, so we're really buzzed. Holly is coming. I just ran ahead to get some shots of the mountain, so yeah, really excited. I love this ride. I'm not going to film it this time though, because I filmed it last time, so I'm just going to enjoy it. But yeah, my favourite, and we're ready to go. Holly hand.
We're just taking on my story, having a little run.
Thanks. Have just come off of Big Thunder Mountain and we popped into the shop opposite, and they had the new Lilo and Stitch pins, which literally came out today, so we've both got those, which is really cool. And now we're about to go on to Haunted Mansion or Phantom Manor, because we haven't been on it yet this time, and I think it had a refurb, so we're going to go on that now, and it's only a 5-minute wait, so really buzzed about that. We are so ahead of time. We needed to get this ride done by 11 and it's only 20 past 10, so loads of time. We're really like ahead of schedule, which is cool. But yeah, so we're gonna go on this, really excited. One of my faves, so let's see if it breaks down like it does every time.
This chamber has no windows and no doors, which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out.
Warlocks and witches, answer this call. Your presence is wanted at this ghostly ball.
are doing a little meet, so we're going to go and get some photos with them, which is really fun. Oh my god, he was so cute. Oh, have a good day. So we just met Pooh and Eeyore and they were so cute. I kind of wish I could just have given Eeyore like a big hug. It's adorable. But yeah, so we're just going to walk through the shops and have a little mooch and then we're going to go to the studios. Oh, you look so good. Relaxing.
Thank you.
Thank you. We just met Daisy, which was so fun. Really small wait again. We also met, obviously, Pooh and Eeyore as well. And now we're going to head on over to the studios. We've got a ticket to go and see all the Frozen meet and greet, so we're going to do that at 12. So we're going to go and try and do a Mickey and the Magician like meet thing now. See if we can get into that. So yeah, no idea if you can hear me. The music's really loud. So we've just got ourselves in the queue to meet all the Mickey and the Magician characters, so that's really fun. And we saw Sully outside, so hopefully we can maybe meet him later after Frozen, we're not too sure, but yeah, it's about a 40-minute wait, so perfect time to have a snack, I think, personally.
Hello, you look so good.
You look so good. Thank you.
Our dress is a bit underwhelming.
I know. We need one of those done.
Yeah.
Maybe different colours. Yeah, that would be great.
Purple version.
Yeah. Yeah. Although I don't know how we fit through all like the ride doors.
Yeah, that's true. We're about to get on the ride.
Exactly. Hello.
Hi.
Oh, look at you. You look great in your outfit.
I love your hat. Little beret.
I know. I think we should get some too. Yeah.
We need a beret. And in your hat, you used to some magic.
I know. How's your magic coming along? Is it?
You're doing well. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you were doing really well the last time, so I think.
Last time you came, it was brilliant.
Yeah. Have a lovely day. We'll see you soon. Bye. We just met Belle and Mickey in his magician outfit, which was so nice because you would never really get the chance to do that on a normal situation.
It was lovely.
It was really nice, wasn't it? But we've literally smashed it. We've got 6 minutes until we're meant to be going to do the frozen meet now. So we're going to go over and just get a good spot for that. So that'll be really fun. What are we doing after that?
A ride, I feel.
Yeah, we could do a ride. Let's do that. Okay, perfect. So,
Terror?
oh, I knew you were going to say that. Right, Tower of Terror is one of those rides where when I finished it, I'm like, oh, thank God it's over. I hate it. It makes me so anxious, but like I feel like we have to do it. Well, we've only ever done it once because I just don't like it. That was our first trip. I just really hate it, but we'll see what the queue's like. I'll try my best, but yeah, that's kind of the plan. So we're gonna go and get in the frozen queue. Hello.
Hi.
How are you? Good. How are you?
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah.
How are
Yeah.
you?
I'm so fine. I'm
Good.
happy to
Yeah.
see you.
You look nice and warm.
Oh my
Yeah, so warm.
Yeah, we're a little bit in here. Not
yeah.
outside though, it's boiling
Yeah.
outside.
Yeah, you need to stay in here.
You've got nice snow.
Have you seen Olaf?
No.
Love to, but no, we haven't.
I don't know where he is.
I know, he's probably
Probably
hiding
off,
somewhere.
like, you know, wishing he was older. Like.
Doing his thing. Building other snowmen, you know.
Would you like to keep it?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Hello. Hi.
Oh my god, you look fantastic.
Thanks.
We're matching.
Thanks. I love your outfit.
Yeah, your outfit
Is it?
too.
Purple's our favourite. I know.
Yes, my fault. Thank you. Should we take the picture?
Let's do it. Hello. How are you? I know, we're the same. We should get you one.
Yeah, should we make you one? Yeah, we'll make you one.
Yeah.
We'll
Yeah.
have to make it a little bit bigger maybe, but we're fine.
It's okay. Just curvaceous. Just, it's good though, in case you fall down, you've got a little cushion.
Exactly. Yeah,
You know, it's always good.
That's always good.
Should we get some photos? Perfect.
Yeah, you've got your dress too, yeah. I'll take my bag off.
Yeah, take your bag up as well. Are you ready? Are you got it done it? So we've just come out of meeting Christoph, Sven, Anna, Elsa and Ola. So we have just done Stitch live and now me and Holly are just going to go and do a quick outfit change because we're currently wearing this, which is actually really nice, but because we're going home today I thought I'd put like a t-shirt dress on and be a bit more comfortable. And also Holly wants me to go on Tower of Terror and I'm actually going to cry because I hate it so much. So hopefully I survived the ride, but yeah, we're gonna go get changed. So we are now in the queue to go on the Aladdin carpet ride. We've got about an hour until our reservation, so we're just gonna go on this and then try and see how much we can get done in about an hour. So yeah, we went on Tower of Terror and it was traumatizing and it was awful. So yeah, but we did it, so it was fun. Quite high up though, mind, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a little bit high.
It's a little bit stressful, but it's nice. Nice bit of fresh air. So we're now going to go on the little cars ride. Never done this before, so very exciting.
Départ et chaque chose en son temps. Pour votre sécurité, bouclez vos ceintures.
Remember, there's a lot more to racing than just winning. Safety first, fast, quicker than quick.
So we are just in the Chez Rémy restaurant, really excited about it. Are you excited about it?
Very. It looks Very nice.
Fab. We're gonna get the menu. It's like the menu Rémy, I think it's called, or something, and it's about 33 euros. And then you get a starter and a main, and we're gonna get soup and steak. So that's the plan. I'll show you what it looks like, obviously, but like around the restaurant, if you can see, I don't like film people eating their food, but everything is large. So, for example, Holly's got a really nice silver spoon above her head that they've bent to make like a nice little decoration. Oh, it's a candle holder. How cute is that? And the lights are obviously like fairy lights, and some giant wine bottles there, and the umbrella's a little like umbrellas for drink. It's just very cute. Like, I'm really loving it. So yeah. So this is our starter. We've got a zucchini soup, which is green. Apparently she's thick, so she's gonna try some. Oh, is the bread thick as well, or is it good?
It's good.
Yeah. We got like a herby flavour. Or?
Yeah, it's nice.
Lovely. And obviously we've got our free drinks as well. Yummy. So our mains have just arrived. Holly's gone for the cod. How is it?
Really good.
Is it really good? It
Yeah.
looks yummy. And then I've gone for the steak with chips. And obviously you get your little soda ratatouille as well, which I've never had in my life. So I'm going to try that. Very excited. So we've just finished in Chez Rémy and it was really good. Highly would recommend it. It was 30 euros. And that was for obviously our annual pass drink, a steak meal and a starter, so like really, really good. But now we're going to walk through the shops, have a last look through there, and then go and get our suitcases, which is really sad. So I won't end the vlog yet, but it's coming to an end very shortly, which is really sad. But Holly's having a great time. Again, her feet are hurting, so I probably wouldn't suggest wearing Doc Martens sandals to Disney after it.
They were fine.
I know, but not this time. But that's okay, we're nearly done. You can do it. So we are now leaving the studios. How quick was that trip gone?
Really quick.
So quick. Obviously we cut it a day short, but
Yeah,
still.
I was gonna say.
But we've still technically been for like 3 days.
Yeah.
And it's just gone so quick. So thanks for watching. If you've watched all 3, I apologise it was cut short, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it anyway. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe obviously, and we'll see you next time we're in Disney, hopefully without all the corona situation. So
Fingers crossed.
fingers crossed. Thank you. Bye.